Nostalgia gardening is the practice of cultivating a garden inspired by personal memories, past experiences, or a longing for bygone times. It often involves planting flowers, herbs, and vegetables that evoke childhood memories, family traditions, or historical gardening styles. For some, this might mean recreating a grandparent's garden filled with heirloom roses and old-fashioned perennials, while for others, it could involve growing vegetables that were once staples in family meals. The trend is driven by a desire for comfort, a connection to nature, and a sense of continuity in an ever-changing world. Nostalgia gardening not only brings joy and relaxation but also preserves plant varieties and gardening techniques from the past, making it a meaningful and sentimental approach to horticulture.